Hi everyone, so today we're unboxing an item from Noon.
صاحي نايم وانتي على بالي ما في اي احد تاني غيرك انتي في خيالي صاحي نايم وانتي على بالي ما في اي احد تاني غير ما في احد داري باللي بينا we keep it on the low like we got the key.
Careful, it's delivered today. Check. I ordered this November 30. Yes, it was November 29. Today I received it. It's a bubble wrap. Nope, it's not a bubble wrap. It's the Canon EOS 4000D DSLR. Okay, this is my first DSLR ever. From most of you know that I just borrow like that, use my cousin's cameras. So now I decided to get one. And this is the cheapest one. This is for beginners, perfect for beginners. This is Canon releases this February 2018, I think. And this is their cheapest DSLR ever. And okay, let's start unboxing. So this is the Canon EOS 4000D DSLR, okay? And DSLR stands for digital single lens reflex. Yeah. And we're starting to open this one. Okay, there. First in the box we have this one. This is the complimentary photography course. Yeah, I don't know what's this. Maybe, oh yeah. This is for photography class. If I want to avail or what. Next we have the warranty card. Of course I will keep this. It is useful. Warranty card also. A 1-year warranty card. This is the manual. Yep, this is the manual. Okay. Manual is good, but we can further understand how to use a camera on YouTube. And next is we have the Canon strap. Now I'm going to further open the box. Cable, charging cable, 3-way. So when I'm in the Philippines, I need to have adapter. Next is the battery. Yep, this is the battery. Yeah. Lithium. Okay. Jump. Next we have the charger. Yep, this is the charger. And now we have sealed very well. Bubble wrap very well. Then lens, of course. It's the lens. Yep. It's the lens. I'll put it in the bubble wrap first. Again. Finally, the last piece here is its body. Oh! Jump ka muna. Let's see. It's very lightweight, unlike yung iba. Like yung 50D, yung 350, 70D, mabigat, iba. Yung 2000D, I don't know. I haven't touched one. And, check. Oh! Different siya. Plastic. Unlike yung ibang DSLR, when you see here, when you remove the lens, stainless steel siya. Yung silver. Hindi siya, unlike dito, plastic siya. There you go. Of course, nandiyan siya para sa strap. Of course. Built-in flash. This one. Yep. Okay. Let's try to get this one. Oh, by the way, I bought bag kasi hindi siya included. So, hindi pa dumating and accordingly, i-deliver siya ngayon. Yup. There you go. There you go. For that, I'll put the battery. Hindi ako masyadong excited. Hindi naman masyadong excited. Hindi naman ako masyadong excited. Baka magkamali pa nga to. So, before, I ordered this earlier. Hindi siya earlier. Kasabay lang siya yung order ko nung November 29. Pero dumating siya nung November 30. This one. The memory card. So this is the battery. I insert the battery in the memory card. Ayan po. And this is for the HDMI and USB port. There. And no microphone, no plug for microphone. This is for the tripod. Yeah. These are the selectors, the icons. Yep. There you go. So, I'll try to display the photo. Hindi pala siya touchscreen, sorry. Hindi siya clear. Clear siya pero and that's all for the unboxing video. For next vlog, kindly like, subscribe, and click that notification bell para updated ka lagi sa mga following videos ko. Bye!